What's up, everybody? Whitman Barnes here for Parker Offshore, showing off a new model for 2026. It's the 227 Explorer. Wanted to walk you around the boat and show you off what it's got to offer. So starting back in the back here on the bracket, this boat comes standard with a 200. This one shows the optional 250. It also can come with an optional 300. The 200 is going to push you around 42, 43 miles an hour, and the 300 will push you up to about 55 miles an hour. Moving forward, we've got this large fish box, great to keep ice for multiple days. A large live well for all your baits, keep them nice and healthy. And we've got 5 rocket launchers around the back for all your rod storage. Walk around the bracket, it's got a lot of room. You can walk through this access hatch into your large cockpit. This boat also comes standard with Seakeeper ride on it. It's a completely new offering from Parker this year. It's a great new addition, completely changes the ride of the sport cabin. We've loved our partnership with Seakeeper. But moving down here, we've got a large bilge hatch. You get all of your batteries, your pumps, your wiring, whenever you need to work on the boat. It's really nice and easy to access everything. Closing it off, you've got this rear bench seat. It's great if you want to relax, have a boat ride. You've got this nice coaming bolster here with the Parker stitching. But if you want to start away for fishing, nice and easy to do. And now you've got a nice coaming bolster at the back to fight a fish. You also have coaming bolsters on the side here with their Parker stitching. As you see here, this is our standard white upholstery. It's a great base upholstery. Also comes in navy and chestnut. Come check them out, and we're gonna start moving up forward. Moving into the cabin, I wanna show you guys how it's laid out. You've got your captain's chairs and your companion seat. You've also got this optional air conditioner here, storage boxes on the side and the floor as well. And then moving into the helm area, we've got our standard Garmin. It's the 943 standard. You can get a 12-inch or a 16-inch as well. You've got your head unit for your Wetsounds PQs, your Seakeeper tab panel, your rocker switches and cup holder. And also, you've got a window here if you want the air coming through when it's hot outside, but if it's nice and cold and you want to stay warm inside the cabin, you can close it off. It's a great all-weather, versatile boat. And also you've got this nice sized berth in front of me. It's great for light overnighting. Let's move forward to the bow and I'll show you some more. Moving forward to the bow, you got your standard 6-rod rocket launcher that's galvanized. You can also powder coat it white or black. You can also get a 10-rod rocket launcher. Each of those are powder coated to your choice, and your adventure rack as well. Then you've got your stainless steel grab rails up here, your horn and your nav light. And moving forward, this is our optional 30-inch curved light bar from Black Oak. You can also get the Low Pro light bar as well. And above the berth, you've got your access hatch. You've got your windshield wipers on your windows and your optional windlass in here. It's a great size anchor locker. And then our bow rail is a standard bow rail or a West Coast. The West Coast will raise it up about 3 to 4 inches. Let's head outside of the boat and I'll show you the hull. Back here at the transom, our bracket features a retractable swim ladder. Our transom has the standard underwater lights that can be upgraded to Lumitex if you like. Our Seakeeper's tabs are standard as well. As we move forward, this hull offers a 2-tone hull with a boot stripe. This one features our Horizon Blue with a white bottom and black boot stripe. We're offering 11 different colors that you can mix and match on your hull and your bottom, with 4 different color boot stripes and 4 different color sport cabins this year, which is an entirely new feature as well. So really an endless amount of color combinations for your boat. With an LOA of about 25 feet on this boat is versatile for fishing, family, fun, and adventure. Go build your own, parkerboats.com.